All right. Hello and welcome everybody to this lovely session organized specifically for persons with MS and people who are, doing running these beautiful chapters across the country. And I would like to introduce myself. My name is Shruti, and I work for uh, a company called Sarathi. That's how we have all come together for Multiple Sclerosis Society of India and Sarathi are co-hosting this webinar for persons with multiple sclerosis who are aspiring to or are already working in the private sector, have some queries, have some challenges, have some doubts, or at some point have faced any kind of stigma around it or difficulty around it. So that's what this open house is about. We hope to be able to address your queries, and I have three wonderful professionals here who will help us understand their journeys better as persons with lived experience. One is, of course, Anjali Vyas, and she needs no introduction, even though I'm going to throw right after this to her for a lovely introduction and context setting. And then I have my lovely colleagues here at Sarathi, Sonia and Fatima, two beautiful women, and absolutely proud of them both. Who I will invite and seek inputs from during the session. And like I said, if you have any questions, please do tell us, and we'll be happy to, have these ladies answer your questions, and as much as I can answer your questions. All right, over to you, Anjali.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. I really thank you all to join us at 6 o'clock today on a Friday evening, as even Shruti ma'am said. अच्छी बात है आप लोग सब जुड़े हैं. Today, all of us here, we also don't need to really talk about what MS is because most of us understand the challenges because majority of us are living with multiple sclerosis. And with MS comes different challenges. Some are challenges that you face in your social life, some are during your education. Health crisis to sabko hota hai. But then because multiple sclerosis is diagnosed and and affects people when they are in the very prime of their lives, jab wo apni zindagi shuru kar rahe hote hain, right, when they are actually planning their career, when they have aspirations, ambition and whatnot, us time pe suddenly it hits and then वी आर टेकन अ बैक, फ्रीज हो जाता है थोड़ा देर के लिए हमारा लाइफ और हमें समझ नहीं आता कि हाउ डू वी कैरी आवर लाइफ फॉरवर्ड. How will MS affect my professional life? If I were to plan my career, do I need to switch my career firstly? And if I do so, what would be my suitable career aspect? या फिर मैं कौन सी line पकड़ सकती हूँ? And if I don't want to, because of course I don't want MS to rule my life in any aspect, how do I even make that particular choice of mine suit my life, suit my professional life, कि मेरी रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी या मेरी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ अफेक्ट ना हो. क्योंकि विद एमएस प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ एमएस नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम होती है एमएस के साथ उसकी इनविजिबल सिम्टम्स की, राइट? कुछ लोग बिकॉज ऑफ मल्टीपल स्क्लेरोसिस जिनका प्रोग्रेसिव कंडीशन होता है, ऑफ कोर्स दे हैव विजिबल डिसेबिलिटीज. हम अलग अलग असिस्टिव डिवाइसेस यूज करते हैं, जैसे कि कोई वॉकिंग एड यूज कर लिया, व्हील चेयर हो गया, या दूसरे भी. देयर आर मेनी अदर असिस्टिव टेक्नोलॉजीज दैट पीपल विद डिसेबिलिटीज इन जनरल यूज, जिसमें से काफी एमएस के पेशेंट्स भी यूज करते हैं. बट देन अगेन अपने लाइफ को उस काम में और उस हिसाब से ढालना इज अनदर एस्पेक्ट, right? But then if I go and ask my employer to provide me with such support, will my employer be supportive enough? ये भी एक सवाल होता है हमारे दिमाग में. अगर मुझे
Some internet issue, I think, with Anjali. That's okay. I think she'll come back.
लगे कि मैडम हर 10 या
Oops, we lost her. She'll join back.
I'm so sorry. I for some reason got a call and got thrown out.
No problem. No problem. Continue where you left off, please.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So I was actually shedding light on the invisible aspects and the fact that how do I explain it to my employer? अगर मुझे उस invisible symptom के लिए कोई accommodation या support चाहिए, तो क्या मैं अपने एम्प्लॉयर से ये चीज मांग सकती हूँ या मांग सकता हूँ, राइट? क्या ऐसी कोई चीज एग्जिस्ट भी करती है कि मैं अपने एम्प्लॉयर से सपोर्ट मांग सकूं? क्या पता मुझे वो घबराहट हो, क्योंकि होती है, राइट? सो वी आर गोइंग टू एक्चुअली कवर ऑल दीज एस्पेक्ट्स, बिकॉज जब हम बात करते हैं अपना करियर चूज करने की, एमएस के इनविजिबल सिम्टम्स को के साथ नेविगेट करके एक जॉब को एक लंबे समय तक टिकाने की, राइट? क्योंकि हमें ये नहीं चाहिए कि हमारा एम्प्लॉय ये समझे इनके तो बस बहाने हैं। आई हैव एक्सट्रीम फटीग, मुझसे आज काम नहीं होगा 9 घंटे, मुझे आज 3 घंटे सुबह काम करना है, 3 घंटे शाम में काम करना है। आई एम नॉट द बॉस, बट आई नीड टू कन्विंस माई बॉस, माई कोलीग्स, राइट? मुझे अगर इनकॉन्टिनेंस की इशू है, अगर मैं बार बार वॉशरूम यूज करती हूँ, तो मैं ये नहीं चाहूंगी कि मेरे आसपास वालों को ये लगे कि मैं आधा दिन तो वॉशरूम में ही होती हूँ। आई एम नॉट सीरियसली टेकिंग माई जॉब, राइट? सो ये सारे जो चैलेंजेस हैं, ये हम सब जानते हैं। ऑफ कोर्स हम लोग ज्यादा करके चैलेंजेस के ऊपर रोएंगे नहीं, बिकॉज दिस मीटिंग इज ऑल अबाउट हाउ टू नेविगेट इट।
Yes.
प्रॉब्लम्स हम लोग सब यहाँ जानते हैं, करेक्ट? और इनफैक्ट ये सिर्फ हमारी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है दोस्तों, दिस इज when it comes to asking for the support from any employer, it's a common challenge for many people with disabilities. But then ये challenges solution में तब बदलेंगे जब हम लोग vocally इसके बारे में बात करेंगे, और ऑफ कोर्स बहुत समझदारी से बात करेंगे। डू यू नो दैट इन द आरपीडब्ल्यूडी एक्ट, जो 2016 की जो हमारा डिसेबिलिटी एक्ट आया है भारत में, तब एमएस को उसमें रिकॉग्नाइज किया गया था एज अ डिसेबिलिटी। एंड इन द आरपीडब्ल्यूडी एक्ट ऑल्सो देयर आर टू मेजर एस्पेक्ट्स जो आप लोग को पता होना चाहिए। वो एक तो है इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी पॉलिसी और एक है रीजनेबल अकोमोडेशन। इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी पॉलिसी का मतलब होता है कि हर एक एम्प्लॉयर, आप जिसके पास भी काम कर रहे हैं, जिनके पास 20 से ज्यादा एम्प्लॉयज हैं, 20 से ज्यादा जो काम करने वाले लोग हैं, उनके पास में एक पॉलिसी होनी चाहिए कंपल्सरीली, जो कि ये बोलता हो कि हम किसी भी एम्प्लॉय को उनके एज, जेंडर, कास्ट या डिसेबिलिटी के बेसिस पे डिस्क्रिमिनेट नहीं कर सकते। ये पॉलिसी जब आपके पास एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में होती है, तो ये सबसे बड़ा आपके लिए एक राइट है, आपके लिए एक टूल है, जिसके थ्रू आप अपने राइट्स की बात अपने एम्प्लॉयर से कर सकते हैं। और क्योंकि एक इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी पॉलिसी के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जब आती है, तो उसके अंदर बहुत सारी कंपनीज में ना, इनको ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को कुछ कुछ रूल्स फॉलो करने होते हैं, जैसे कि एक ऑफिसर को अपॉइंट करना, ग्रीवेंस रिड्रेसल ऑफिसर। Similarly, another aspect is there, which is called reasonable accommodation. I'm sorry if I'm taking too long, but my research which I did, Shruti ma'am, actually my research told me that 80% of the respondents did not know of these aspects.
And I'm not surprised.
Exactly. रीजनेबल अकोमोडेशन का मतलब होता है कि वो सपोर्ट अपने एम्प्लॉयर से मांगना जिसकी वजह से आपको आपके काम करने में मदद मिले। आप इसीलिए उसको रीजनेबल कहा गया है ना, हम लोग होता है रीजनेबल दाम लगाइए भैया, यानी ऐसा जो आपके एम्प्लॉयर के लिए भी ज्यादा ना हो और आप भी कुछ ज्यादा नहीं मांग रहे हो। अगर मैं फ्लेक्सिबल वर्किंग आवर्स मांग रही हूँ, अगर मैं कह रही हूँ कि मुझे सिर्फ 3-4 घंटा सुबह और 3-4 घंटा शाम में काम करना है, काम मैं पूरा करूंगी, समय से करूंगी, डेडलाइंस को मीट करके करूंगी, तो इसमें एम्प्लॉयर का नुकसान उतना अगर नहीं हो रहा है, तो एम्प्लॉयर को ये बात आपकी माननी चाहिए। सो देयर आर सेवरल अदर अकोमोडेशंस, हम इन्हें रीजनेबल अकोमोडेशन कहते हैं लॉ की भाषा में, तो आप ये मांग सकते हैं अपने एम्प्लॉयर से, राइट? तो ऐसी ही कुछ अच्छी खासी जानकारी भरी बातें करने के लिए, समझने के लिए how to exercise our rights and how to actually navigate the challenges and work for a long time in a corporate, we will now have a very nice discussion with Team Sarathi and two fantastic women with multiple sclerosis from the MS Society of India, Fatima and Sonia Sharma. So Shruti ma'am, I actually pass over the mic to you. You can maybe, tell us how to take this forward.
Yeah, so basically we'll, in the interest of time, because I want to keep it interactive and flowing with questions, and I'm so glad already the chat box, people are, writing their comments in. Sonia, I'll start with you, and I want you to tell, I know most people will also know you here, you'll also know them, but once again, just briefly tell us your journey into private sector, and tell us a little bit of your background.
First of all, thank you so much, ma'am, for providing me this platform where I can talk to my people. And before proceeding further, I will just go down to Anjali. Like she is the one who is giving us a lot of inspiration, like in spite of being in the MS, how beautifully she is navigating.
Yeah.
And yes, now coming back to me, ma'am, I will not take too long because there are lots of ups and downs, hustles and bustles in between. But yes, of course, I just want to tell you that the life is not easy. But yes, of course, it is not. If you take the challenge, it is okay, fine. Life is just, it is not the end of the life. It is just the bent of the life. It is okay, fine, if you can't walk properly. It is fine. You can turn to be a masterpiece. It's okay, fine. Everything is absolutely fine. Initially, ma'am, I was doing my lecturership. I have done my MSc, MPhil. I was pursuing my PhD mathematics, and I got married, and then I got this multiple sclerosis. But that was not very tough for me because I thought, wow, what a fancy name it is. I have heard that first time. But while navigating with that, I was pissed off with my responsibilities because I was newlywed. Plus, that symptoms which are I was not able to understand initially, but because of my mental state of not taking this thing into much consideration and taking myself along with that, that helped me that where I am today. I have tingling sensations, ma'am. I have my shivering legs, ma'am. But with that, also I am navigating my family. I am driving also. I'm swimming also. But yes, to a very little extent, no doubt. But yes, I don't hinder anything that because of MS I cannot do this thing. Plus this Sarathi, which has given me the platform to work, work on home. This is the, what I say. This is something which has given me the new beginning. It should be my second innings, but in the best of ways, because I have tingling sensations, but I'm doing everything. Maybe little late, maybe little early, sometimes maybe I'm missing as well, but still I have such a cooperation with my colleagues and my seniors that they understand my issues.
So tell us,
And
Sonia, about your exact work here, because most people might not know what you do in terms of your actual work profile.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah.
I am here doing a calling job,
Yes.
customer care executive.
Hmm.
Here we have to listen, we have to deliver the solutions, and we have to frame on the laptop. And we have to navigate the keys, which every MS person who is with the little high, because I was I was with MS since 2006. It's been 17 years. So the people can correlate with me that how tingling sensation increases with the age, with the disease, with the longevity.
Hmm.
So everything into consideration. This is what I am telling you, ma'am. While navigating the keys, it was very tough for me. While using the keyboard, while choosing the right the option, everything was very tough initially, but with the passage of time, with the help of colleagues and my seniors, today I'm here working successfully from last 1 year.
Acha, I'm going to stop and ask. Navina is saying that she cannot understand this English. आप लोग में से which is the more comfortable language, English, Hindi? तो हम उसी में बात करेंगे. Show of hands maybe, or you can unmute and tell me. Anjali, what do you think? Or should we just
I think we can go bilingual, ma'am. Not
हाँ, थोड़ा
completely
मिक्स कर
English.
देते हैं.
Yes.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, ठीक है. फातिमा, मैं आपके पास आना चाहूंगी अभी. आप अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करिए, जैसे
Sure.
सोनिया ने शेयर किया.
Sure.
Yeah, we'll speak in English and Hindi both as much as possible. We will try and cover all of you guys.
Okay, ma'am. I have diagnosed in 2017, first of
Right.
all. I have completed my BCA. After that, I have been selected in Wipro Technologies. To there, I am working as a senior software developer. Plus, I am taking studies of masters from BITS Pilani University. So in there, I have completed my 7 years with experience as a team lead as well. And I have completed my masters from BITS Pilani University. But when I have got diagnosed in 2017, it got deteriorated. And because of that, chemo has been started for me. So I have to take resignation in 2019 because of that. And afterwards, 1 year I have to कि मुझे क्यों हुआ, मैं ही क्यों? Because as Anjali said कि it is a invisible disorder. नाम fancy है पर लोगों को समझाना बहुत मुश्किल है. What is MS? Because who people are like educated, they only understand what is neurological disorder. Not
Hanji.
all the people. Because ऐसे अगर आप मुझे देखो तो मुझे कोई नहीं बोलेगा कि मैं बीमार हूँ कहीं से. But when I am walking, at that time only people say कि हाँ इसको कुछ तो हुआ है. But in very easy language, people say गिर गई थी, एक्सीडेंट हो गया था. तो I said everybody हाँ 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 हाँ. But it was really difficult to understand, let people understand what exactly MS is. So back to my experience, in 2019, I have taken break. And then in 2021, I have started my own business of women clothing. For 2 years, I have doing that. And then I have done Facebook ka customer, Flipkart ka customer care executive for 9 months. Again, I have taken break because of new, diagnosed for me. And now I'm with Sarthi. Here I am again feeling like I'm back to my comfortable zone because Sarthi is equal to a good group of a Sathis for me. Sarthi is equal to, because when I was working in Flipkart, there are normal people. With them, I am alone who is disabled. At that time, they are trying to give me sympathies, which I really don't like. And I'm sure कि यहाँ पे किसी को नहीं पसंद है, क्योंकि तुम जो काम कर रहे हो वो हम कर पा रहे. तो हमें किसी की sympathy की जरूरत नहीं है. तो that day I have decided कि when I will work with those people जो मेरे जैसे हैं. And आज मैं exactly वहीं पे हूँ जो मेरे जैसे या मेरे से ज्यादा अच्छी कंडीशन में या मेरे से खराब कंडीशन में जो भी है, पर हमारे ही लोग हैं जो एक दूसरे को समझते हैं, एक दूसरे की तकलीफ को समझते हैं और एक दूसरे को बढ़ाने में काफी मदद करते हैं. तो
And
यही सब
what's your work like? Just share
here
that.
I am working in ITC Progress, where ITC food division is there, like Ashirwad Atta, Sunfest Biscuit, Bingo, where I am working on emails. So customer will give their query or complaints via email. We have to resolve that by email by forwarding it to concerned team. Otherwise, if required of some details, we can call the customers. But yes, ma'am, tell me.
And both you ladies are doing a full-time job.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
And
But still we are happy because Sarthi is giving us that much importance also and that much confidence also कि you people can do it. Other people say कि तुम कैसे कर पाओगे, लेकिन सारथी बोलता है तुम हो जो कर पाओगे. तो ये
so if given a chance, what I'm hearing is, if given a chance, there is a way around working your symptoms, and the symptoms vary. They are very different for different people, but there is a possibility that in private sector employment, despite us thinking कि private sector में बहुत hours होते हैं, बहुत deliverables होते हैं, बहुत strict होता है, it is possible to come to an arrangement where you can still continue working.
Yes.
Right?
Right. वही तो मेन पॉइंट है ना मैम, कि दूसरों को समझाना पड़ता है हमें क्या तकलीफ है. यहाँ ऑलरेडी सब समझने वाले हैं, तो किसी को समझाना नहीं पड़ता है, बल्कि सामने से कहते हैं कि तुम लोग थोड़ा रेस्ट कर लो फिर काम कर लेना. तो वो सुन के ही बहुत अच्छा एक फैमिली वाली फीलिंग आती है कि हाँ सब समझ रहे एक दूसरे को यहाँ पे. तो दैट इज वेरी गुड.
Okay, so I want to turn this around and have a question, and Anjali, maybe you can come in here. Is that okay, Sarathi is an equal employer, but Sarathi has had its own journey, right? We've also learned, and it's a smaller team. But when we look at corporates, which are large corporates, and they have their structures and they have a diverse set of employees that they have to cater to, they might not be able to give so much attention and understanding, right, from day one. That is something that they will learn as and when the number of persons with disabilities, and speaking of MS, grows within the organization. So what can people with MS, like how can they come in and explain or ask for accommodation, or come from a point where they don't feel like they're burdening the employer with something from day one?
Sheetal, can you please put your mic on mute, and can somebody please,
Yes.
So it's a very important question actually, Shruti ma'am, because
Continue.
so the journey of any person with MS actually when it comes to employment starts with the very interview round. So I'm going to actually start from there जहाँ से मैं सोचती हूँ. It's important that we live in assumptions कि मुझे support मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा. उससे ज्यादा important ये है कि पहले मैं अपनी बात रख सकूं. I'm not saying that you have to be just simply complain and just MS की बात करिए, आप ऐसा नहीं कह रहे हैं. बट आप जब एक इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस के थ्रू जा रहे होते हैं, मेक श्योर कि आपको जब जॉब प्रोफाइल बताई गई है, आप जानते हैं कि आप किस सेटअप में काम करने वाले हैं, उस सेटअप को ध्यान में रखते हुए आई थिंक दैट कॉन्वर्जेशन शुड स्टार्ट फ्रॉम देयर विद द एचआर, व्हिच दिस इज पर्सनली माय बिलीफ. Of course, there is a way to put your, disability forward in a manner. ऐसा नहीं कि आप सामने एम्प्लॉयर को एकदम डरा दे कि ओ माय गॉड ये तो मतलब मैं तो डर गया या फिर न्यूरोलॉजिकल है, कंटेजियस है, व्हाट नॉट. आई एम श्योर वी आर गोइंग टू कम टू दैट लेटर. बट एक बात रखने का तरीका होता है. सो आई थिंक फर्स्टली व्हेन वी से सेल्फ एडवोकेसी, मेरे ख्याल से सेल्फ एडवोकेसी का एक्चुअल मतलब वही होता है, नॉट जस्ट सिंपली टॉकिंग अबाउट MS in general out in the public, but it starts with you. First, if one is comfortable talking about their condition, just disclosing it to their employer, I think it starts from there. Put it in a right manner where you are also making the employer understand कि आपका जो condition है, that of course will not affect your workability, but just even understanding the problem can actually give you that confidence. जो अभी फातिमा जिनकी बात कर रही थी, I think it starts from there जहां आप ये चीज सामने रख रहे हैं. एंड डेफिनेटली मुझे लगता है कि इसके अलावा आई डोंट नो इफ कॉर्पोरेट्स, मेनी कॉर्पोरेट्स डू इट, बट देयर आर मेनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस दैट डू इट बाय मेकिंग स्मॉल ERGs, जिन्हें कहते हैं हम एम्प्लॉय रिसोर्स ग्रुप्स. छोटे छोटे ऐसे ग्रुप्स बनाना जिनमें कि हमारे MS जैसे दूसरे साथी भी हों, जिन्हें कोई दूसरी इनविजिबल डिसेबिलिटी हो. यदि ये कॉर्पोरेट से चीजें करती है तो इससे हमारे लोगों को एनकरेजमेंट मिलता है. एंड डेफिनेटली जिसकी बात हमने एकदम शुरुआत में कही थी कि एक पॉलिसी शुड बी इन प्लेस, बिकॉज जब मैं कोई जॉब अप्लाई कर रही हूँ, यहाँ पर बैठे बैठे मैं सभी को बोल रही हूँ, मैं किसी कंपनी की पेज पे जाती हूँ और मैं देख रही हूँ उनकी वेबसाइट पर कि ओके इनके पास एक इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी पॉलिसी बोल के मुझे कुछ तो दिख रहा है, देयर इज सम सेंटेंस that itself I think will give me a lot of confidence कि even if I'm not going to talk about my MS, at least I'm sure that my employer at least on paper is not going to discriminate me on those grounds. And I think वहां से जर्नी थोड़ी आसान हो जाती है. उसके बाद कॉन्वर्जेशंस करना इजी हो जाता है. फिर हमारे पास में एम्प्लॉय सेंसिटाइजेशन सेशंस होते हैं जो मुझे लगता है हमारे MS के पेशेंट्स को ही लीड करना चाहिए हमारी कॉर्पोरेट्स में, जिससे कि कॉन्वर्जेशंस जो आप कर रहे हैं वो सही तरीके से हो. Right kind of awareness, not just awareness. Right kind of awareness is something that I feel can assist and help in making that safe space. I hope that answers the question.
Yes, absolutely. I'm going to go to the house because there are several people. I think Harshil, आपका हाथ ऊपर है. You want to say something, Harshil? Unmute कर लीजिए अपने आप को.
First is hello, good evening, ma'am.
Hi.
Am I visible?
You are visible and you're audible.
Yeah, thank you. I was in that confusion because I was not able to see the other people, nor I was able to see myself on those video chat.
Oh, okay. No, we can see you. In fact, I've pinned you to the screen.
Right. And ma'am, second thing is there any freelancing work we can put on in Sarthi, or we can ask Sarthi to help us out?
Yeah, what is your background, Harshil? What have you studied? Tell me a little bit more about yourself.
Ma'am, I am a lawyer.
Okay.
Right, and I'm suffering from MS since 2008.
Okay.
In 2023, I had a relapse. Even after about say 15 to 16 years, I was in ICU for about 20 days. I had lost my right side sensations. My hands and legs were not working. Now I am on blood thinner and many other tablets regarding seizures and epilepsy.
Okay.
So, and I have 9 years of experience with legal profession. I was practicing, and I still want to practice.
Mm-hmm.
So because of MS now, there is like I feel that there is less of opportunity working with big corporate firms or companies.
Yeah.
So is there anything we can opt for freelancing work?
So in the legal space, you tell me what kind of freelance options usually one looks at. And by the way, where are you based? What is your location? City?
Mumbai. I am
Mumbai.
basically from Dahanu, but I have practice in my Mumbai. My
Okay.
office is in Marine Lines.
Oh, you still work out of an office?
Yes, both the things. I work with my senior and I have my independent work also.
Okay. So when you say freelance, what kind of work are you looking at? Tell me a little bit more so I can help you.
I'm looking for all litigation and non-litigation work. Litigation is I have to go to the courtrooms and fight on with the cases.
Hmm.
And non-litigation work is doing a registration work like sale deed, registration of will,
Hmm.
any registration work which
So
are out of court,
yeah. Carry on.
like that way. So these are like in Mumbai there is a redevelopment process. So while doing redevelopment, we have to go on with the society's work. Society is to be registered, then redevelopment agreement is to be registered, redevelopment agreement is to be drafted, everything. So there is a long process for non-litigation work also,
Hmm.
which is like we can sit at home, work upon, and then once or twice in a week we can go to the society or we can meet their lawyers and complete the work. It is like not going every day to the court. Like we can work from home, we can work on emails or many other things.
Sure, I'm sure. See, I am not very well versed in the legal space, but the answer to your question is a yes. And I can work with you separately offline to find more options because I know there are legal groups of persons with disabilities who are actually helping each other out. And you have 9 years of experience, so you already have a legal network which you can
Yes,
also tap into. And you can use
right,
LinkedIn as a space to put up
right,
your services there because a lot of people are getting freelance opportunities through their just LinkedIn word of mouth, you know.
right, right,
So, and as far as Sarathi platform is concerned, sure, you're most welcome to come and register on it. So we will have your details there. But like I'll say, only recently two options, legal space options have opened up, and they are they are hybrid work, but they are again with large corporates, which requires, I think, a lot more dedication, which I wouldn't advise you to go for. But
right.
I hear your point, and I think the answer to your question is yes, there must be options, and we can work on that offline. Yeah.
Sure.
But
Yes,
do put up at least your profile and your services on LinkedIn because that is one space that is in your hands.
I'm already on LinkedIn.
Yeah. So, okay. So let's also look at connecting you with other PWDs who are in the legal space.
Fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. Chitra, you have a question. Please go ahead.
Good evening, ma'am. It's Chitra here.
Hi,
Yes,
Chitra.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I have a query. I'll be giving mains this year of UPSC, and I'll be applying under the PhD category. And ma'am, it's been some years for me in the UPSC journey, and I'll most probably be going to the interview round as well. But ma'am, somewhere I'm very scared that the medical board may declare me unfit physically because of MS. So and I'm right now around 32. So it's very like I really need a job right now. So I don't know what to do right now because if UPSC rejects me, then I have no avenues to look forth to.
Anjali, you want to come on the legal aspect of this? Rejection on grounds of medical.
Yeah,
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, of course, go on.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, for your very kind information, Chitra, it's a good news for you that recently we have one IAS officer who is VI. I have recently read the news. Like, if a VI is there as an IAS, then why not you?
There
No,
are
ma'am.
several actually. There are several,
Yeah.
but I want
No,
to
ma'am.
specifically say about the
Yeah.
medical assessment of MS. Anjali, you
Yes,
have any
ma'am.
information on that?
Yes.
Yeah, I firstly, Chitra, do you have a UDID or a certificate with you?
Yes, Anjali, I have.
Right. So I'm very, very certain that you cannot be discriminated on the grounds of your disability. ये तो बिल्कुल ही गलत होगा यदि आपको उस बेसिस पे इस पे रिजेक्ट किया गया, because when it comes to UPSC, I don't know how exactly do they approve or disapprove of something, but I'm very sure that if at all they are also disapproving you, there needs to be a written statement or a written explanation as to why they are rejecting you. अगर आपके पास में राइटिंग में ये चीज आ जाती है, we can actually drag them to the court of law. I'm very certain कि
Yeah,
ये
yeah.
तो हम डेफिनेटली कर सकते हैं कि उनको आपको अगर डिनाई करना भी है तो वो लिख कर देना होगा कि आप अनफिट हैं क्योंकि आप व्हील चेयर पर हैं या आपकी डिसेबिलिटी इज गोइंग टू हिंडर योर वर्क.
No, Anjali, I just walk with a stick. Also,
Right.
मैंने notification में पढ़ा कि what if they apprehend that there is going to be any future problem, then they might, they might. So that
But-
is why I'm a little
But
anxious.
Chitra, what we're
about
trying to say is that it is actually challengeable in the court of law, because I think there is also a VI case, IAS officer whose name is Rajesh. I'm forgetting his last name. Okay, I think he's right now in Jharkhand, posted in Jharkhand, who also fought a long legal battle to actually take the position, and finally the court had to reinstate and allow him that option. But I'm also hearing you saying that you have already tried for so long and you really need a job. So you
Yes,
should
ma'am.
have a plan B in place, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
Chitra, tell me,
Yes.
what are your the skill sets, and what have you studied, and what's your background otherwise?
Ma'am, I'm a MTech in chemical engineering from NIT Rourkela, and
Wow.
I know SQL and a bit of Python. And ma'am, I had connected with you last time, but because of my UPSC prep, I couldn't get back to you.
So, okay, my advice to you is that, Chitra, you are sitting in a good space, because not only do you have such qualifications and education to back you up, your repeated attempts and preparation for UPSC make you more than employable, from the private sector point of view. And as I'm talking to you, you're very articulate. So communication skills are very important in the
Ma'am,
private sector.
ma'am, but the age is also a factor. Like I'm already around 32, and
No,
I
no,
don't know if private
no.
sector is open to people about like after 30. Like it's very
Private sector is
difficult.
open to people, period. I'm way older than you are. I'm still hopping and skipping.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
So
also I
don't
have no
worry.
work experience right now.
That's
because-
all right. You have to start somewhere. You might have to start at a probably a lower expected or something.
Yes,
I don't know
ma'am.
yet. Than what you probably desired for, but you will work your way up, because you have the brilliance backing you up. My whole thing is that do not get disheartened and don't take no for an answer. If it's about your UPSC, I am certain that there is a legal route you can take. First of all, you may not even be discriminated against. In case you are, please come back to us. There are enough and more people in the disability society today to help you back up and win that battle. And as a backup plan, you should look out for a private sector job simultaneously when you have time, when you're okay with your prep, and I don't know what your schedule is for your test and interview, etc. So I
Yes,
just
ma'am. Around
there's nothing to
October,
worry.
ma'am, around October, can I make a profile at Sarthi then looking for a job?
Absolutely, whenever.
Ma'am, because I was scared about the age factor. That is
Don't
why.
worry, there is no age cap in the private sector. It's just that you will probably have this thing that, people of your age are probably higher up in the hierarchy, which is all right. You have your own journey, they have theirs. You'll go climb at your own pace. Right?
Chitra,
Okay,
in
ma'am.
Sarathi, there are people of like higher age. I am also 32. So
There
don't worry.
you go. You found one.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm also
Then
32.
Yes, ma'am. Then I'll register at Sarthi around October, ma'am.
Sure, sure, Chitra.
And
All
Chitra,
right.
don't worry, as Shruti ma'am said, we have many lawyers with disabilities, and I tell you, ऐसे दिग्गज है हमारे सेक्टर में ना lawyers. आपको डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. I will give you 5 contact numbers right away. And by
Right
the way,
away,
I'm
yeah.
also a chemical engineer, Chitra. So welcome to the
Okay.
club.
Yeah, Anjali, hi. Yeah.
I'm
Thank you
feeling
so
very,
much. Yeah.
very under qualified right
No,
now.
no, no, no. Please.
I feel very uplifted because I was always scared that what if UPSC doesn't let me join the services.
Don't worry. You always have us to talk to. Okay. Please, please don't drop all your worries and all the best for this attempt of yours.
Thank you,
Right?
ma'am, so much. Thank you,
All
Anjali.
right. Okay. All right. We'll move to Priyanka now. Priyanka, you have
Yes,
been raising your
yes,
hand
ma'am.
for some time.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me,
Yes,
Priyanka.
Miss, my name is Priyanka Miss and I'm from Assam. मैंने
Yes.
LGBRI में लोकप्रिय गोपीनाथ मेंटल हॉस्पिटल में 9 years वर्क किया. तो आफ्टर
कहाँ
दैट
पे?
आई
Sorry, sorry, Priyanka. Your voice is not clear.
मैं मेंटल हॉस्पिटल में मैंने 9 years वर्क किया.
हाँ जी.
रिसेप्शनिस्ट प्लस टेली कंसल्टेशन मेरी
जी.
वर्क वही थी. लेकिन आई हैव लिव्ड द जॉब लास्ट ईयर 2023 just because of shifting duty started, नाइट शिफ्टिंग स्टार्टेड. तो आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग हिम कि मुझे नाइट शिफ्टिंग ड्यूटी ना दे बिकॉज मेरी डिसेबिलिटी के लिए. बट दे मतलब फोन ने इनकार कर दिया तो मैंने छोड़ दी जॉब. सो नाउ आई एम फेसिंग कि मुझे किस टाइप में जॉब में, जब प्राइमरी जॉब अभी डिसेबिलिटी बढ़ रही है तो क्या करूँ इन फ्यूचर मैम.
तो आपने यहाँ पे कितना यहीं पे काम करा है कि पहले भी कहीं और काम करा है प्रियंका?
पहले तो मैंने एयरटेल ऑफिस में काम किया था असिस्टेंट अकाउंटेंट एज ए. उसके मैं एक्चुअली ऑर्फन लड़की हूँ कि मेरी मम्मी पापा नहीं रहे. मेरी मम्मी मेंटली डिसऑर्डर थी तो उसको भी हैंडल करनी पड़ती थी मुझे. आफ्टर दैट मैंने आई हैव स्टार्ट कंप्लीटेड माय बीकॉम. तो उसके बाद मुझे जॉब करनी थी तो मैंने एयरटेल ऑफिस में जॉब. उसके बाद कंप्यूटर इंस्टीट्यूट में रिसेप्शनिस्ट प्लस कंप्यूटर क्लास थी स्टूडेंट को. आफ्टर दैट आई हैव जॉइन मेंटल हॉस्पिटल जो एक नेशनल LGBRIMS मेंटल हेल्थ जो सेंट्रल है. तो वहाँ पे मैंने 9 years जॉब की. उसके बाद इस प्रॉब्लम्स की वजह से मैंने जॉब छोड़ दी लास्ट ईयर 2023 दिसंबर में. तो आई एम 33 years old. तो हाउ टाइप ऑफ जॉब, मेरी एज भी बढ़ रही है तो मुझे फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम भी होती है बिकॉज ऑफ माई डिजीज. मेडिकेशन फॉर इज वेरी कॉस्टली. ऑल मेडिसिन आर. दैट्स व्हाई
Where are
आई
you?
नीड.
कहाँ पे हो
आई
प्रियंका?
एम
Location?
फ्रॉम असम. आई एम फ्रॉम असम.
Okay.
और मैं आई एम सर्चिंग वर्क फ्रॉम होम एक्चुअली.
There are many options in work from home, Priyanka. I would encourage you to go and put your profile up there, share your resume with us. There are several jobs, at least as far as at least sales or calling or any kind of back-end accounts work is concerned. We keep getting such vacancies. And if
Yes, ma'am.
you're, even if you're wanting to work from home, there will be options. So I encourage you to please do that.
Okay, sure, ma'am. Thank you
And
so
again,
much.
age is not a problem, so don't get hassled. I realize, yes, your medicines are expensive and you are under financial distress,
Yes, ma'am.
but
Yes.
it's not like you cannot get a job.
मैंने बहुत सारा गवर्नमेंट जॉब भी ट्राई किया, एग्जाम भी दिया, मिला नहीं. तो फिर मतलब मैंने होप ही छोड़ दी कि मेरी डिसेबिलिटी है लेकिन और मेरी डिसेबिलिटी बढ़ ही रही है बिकॉज आई थिंक मुझे जॉब भी नहीं करना, मुझे अभी बिजनेस में उतरना चाहिए. आई थिंक लाइक दैट ऑल्सो.
Why not? Actually, the self-employment is becoming an increasingly viable option for persons with disability. In fact, there are people who are actually organizing talks for entrepreneurship. You should also tap into those networks, right?
Yes.
We can connect you there. But to start off with, see, self-employment के लिए भी आपको कुछ skills, कुछ know-how चाहिए होता है. When you
Yes,
have exposure of working a couple of jobs, then you are very well versed with taking that risk. I would say that at this point you are at a high risk thing because you have some expenses, your confidence
ma'am.
is also a little low. So take up a job and
Yes.
start putting a plan of what you want to do as a business. I would encourage you to do that.
I'm learning share marketing also. Lots of last time.
Oh,
last time I got I don't have the capital for share marketing. That's because I got the money, मतलब जो वो natural money नहीं होती, 10 lakhs मुझे वो apps की तरफ से दिया, मैंने उस पे 7 lakhs increase किया शेयर मार्केटिंग में, लेकिन वो मनी रियल मनी नहीं है। तो उससे मैंने शेयर मार्केटिंग से मेरी वो नॉलेज है कि मैं उसमें भी अपना लगा सकती हूँ, कि मैं बन सकती हूँ उसमें, लेकिन दैट्स व्हाई आई नीड फर्स्ट जॉब के बाद मेरे पास कैपिटल रहेंगे, उसके बाद मैं कुछ कर पाऊंगी।
Wonderful that you are taking this initiative, and I think that I'm going to just come in here and tell everyone, each one of you, and as much as I tell myself, that
Yes.
you know there is no age to acquire a new skill. Everything is changing, whether it is our disability, whether it is a condition that we develop with age, whether it is an economic recession, whether it is a political crisis or change of technology, कुछ ना कुछ बदलाव आता रहेगा. So when you have more than one skill, so you have better survival rate, and today is a very fast paced world as far as digital India is concerned. I think it's very important for us to keep identifying new interest and picking up those skills. और आज की डेट में तो इतना knowledge online free मिल रहा है that we should all, really lap that up. We should take that option and keep enhancing our skills. And but Priyanka, to your question, please do register, share your resume with us, and we'll help you find one job.
Sure, ma'am. Thank
That
you
way.
so much. Thank
Yeah?
you so much. Thank
No
you.
problem. Who's next? Himanshu, you have your hand up.
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji.
The problem is I'm a bedridden person from last 7 years. I had a job also, but I got paralysis attack in the office
Hey,
only.
Himanshu, slow down. I can't understand.
Yeah, I am bedridden from last 7 years. So what
Okay.
kind of job I can do? I can do either. I got registered for Sathi also. I got a call. You have to do. I registered for locomotive disability, but I have to go to play that place. But I have to be lifted from the hospital. Person has to just lift me up and then put me on wheelchair. So I can't do that job. So what kind of job I can do?
What are your skills, Himanshu? क्या पढ़ाई करी है?
I'm a master of engineering, mechanical.
कहीं काम किया था पहले?
अपने टाटा में किया था, वो छोड़ना पड़ा एमएस कर। बाद में मास्टर करने के बाद एक स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री ज्वाइन किया था, और वहाँ पर चलना नहीं आया, चलना ही बंद हो गया, तो वो भी छोड़नी पड़ी।
सॉरी, दोबारा बोलिए प्लीज, समझ नहीं
क्या
आया.
करूँ? मैं स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री मास्टर कर रहा था ना, तो मैंने स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री ज्वाइन किया था, तो वहाँ पर पहले से अटैक हो गया, चलना नहीं आया, तो वो छोड़नी पड़ी।
पैरालिसिस
तब से
अटैक.
हाँ,
तो
मतलब
अभी 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 क्या मोबिलिटी कंडीशन है एग्जैक्टली बताएंगे आप?
जीरो मोबिलिटी, 2021 बेड, नथिंग आई डू.
Okay.
7 years have passed away.
Okay, and you can talk but properly.
Yes, yeah.
स्पीच में तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है?
फिलहाल तो नहीं है।
और अगर कॉलिंग करनी हो तो you have no mobility in your hands also?
No.
Okay. So yes, thanks for sharing that, by the way, Anjali. So there are some अच्छा, और आपकी फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन कैसी है फैमिली की, हिमांशु?
I'm totally dependent on my father. He's the only overall in the family.
And फादर की फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन कैसी है, if you don't mind me asking?
अच्छी है।
अच्छी है। तो हिमांशु, ऐसे बहुत सारे डिवाइसेस आ चुके हैं मार्केट में, जहाँ पे लोग जो chin down paralyzed हैं can still operate computers and mobiles using their chin, nose and even tongue, and there are some suction straws also. मैं आपको एडवाइस करूंगी थोड़ी. हाँ जी,
टाइपिंग का समय वो फ्री लाइसेंस के भी अप्लाई किया था, पर कुछ ये डॉक्टर से मिला है।
स्पीच टू टेक्स्ट होता है हिमांशु.
अच्छा।
The devices help you. You can speak to the device and it will convert to text. So you will be able to operate all on MS Office software. You will be able to give voice commands to your phone. You can make calls and you can send emails, everything.
Okay.
So my advice to you, Himanshu, here is that look out for these devices. There are a couple of people I can connect you with who use these devices offline. आप बाद में मुझसे contact कर सकते हैं, ठीक है?
Okay, fine.
So it is very much possible in your state of being also to use technology and perform a job. Let me assure you that, because I know people in your condition who are working successfully.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Okay. Great.
Okay. Thank you, Himanshu.
Thanks, ma'am.
Okay. Now, who else is there? कौन है? I don't know. ये Vivo 1938 कौन है? Please, आप अपना नाम बताएंगे?
Yeah, Amruta here. Yeah,
Sorry?
I'm audible. Amruta here.
Hi, Amruta.
Yeah, hi. See, I am working in Big Four, MNC, KPMG. But see, sometimes I am not able to work like with, even Geeta has answered me this question. Thank you so much for Geeta. Anjali, no, Anjali also guiding me very much. But sometimes I cannot cope up new tasks. Okay, I'm asking them repetitive, give me repetitive tasks. So is it possible कि मैं एम्प्लॉयर से बोल सकती हूँ कि मुझे रिपीटेटिव टास्क दे दो, मुझे ऐसा ही कंफर्टेबल है का, एंड मेरा काम भी अच्छा हो रहा है रिपीटेटिव टास्क में. So can I fight with
Absolutely.
them?
Absolutely. Amruta, this is actually
Okay.
a good thing that you will do for yourself and for the company, because the company doesn't understand this. You have to let them know this. So this is what we're
Yeah.
talking about, a self advocacy. हम हमेशा हर पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी
yes.
को बोलते हैं कि एक सेल्फ एडवोकेसी टूल किट होना चाहिए कि उसमें आप बता सकें. प्लीज मैं सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी, व्हेन पीपल आर शेयरिंग देयर क्वेश्चंस, डोंट अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड टॉक इन बिटवीन. हाँ, Amruta, coming back to you. So, please,
Yes.
how long have you been working with KPMG?
5 years. Last
5 years.
years.
So, I am sure you have a good
Yeah.
relationship with your manager, your peers, your...
Yes, yes.
So,
Yes.
please sit them down, talk to them, help them understand, and, and tell them. So, when you talk a problem, immediately correspond that with a solution. ठीक
Yeah,
है?
yeah, but see, sometimes I feel मुझे बहुत डर लगता है कि अभी तो ठीक है रिपीटेटिव टास्क दे रहे, लेकिन बाद में बोलेंगे नहीं, वी कैन नॉट मैनेज, आपको हमारे हिसाब से चलना पड़ेगा ऐसे. तो उसके लिए कोई लीगल लॉ और कुछ हो सकता है, मतलब
My
अक्सर
advice,
कुछ
no.
प्रॉब्लम
My advice to you is also to share that fear with your manager. Share that fear that this is what I
Okay.
fear, that because you're a business, you will still want me to work your way, but I want to very much exercise my productivity, and I understand that you are a business और आपके objectives हैं, आपके goals हैं, and you don't want to offer me a favorable behavior other than what you offer to other employees. आपके लिए सब equal है, right?
Okay.
Now, when you think of legal route, that is when you are thinking कि कोई discrimination हो रहा है. I don't think giving benefit of doubt to the corporate who doesn't understand your condition and your ability to perform certain things is not really discriminating against you. And if they will have an alternate way and you can explain to them, then you should do that. You should also probably get somebody to speak to them as somebody who understands MS well, somebody who also maybe from Sarathi who can help you, or can somebody just speak to the corporate in the language that the corporate understands. Because always understand, Amruta, कि हम जब corporates के साथ जा रहे हैं और बोल रहे हैं कि mainstream jobs हमारे लिए खोल लिए, तो we cannot ask for an excessive change in the way they also function. We can only
Okay.
guide them to open their doors in a certain way, and it is going to be a progressive journey. ये आज होना शुरू हुआ
Yes,
है,
yes.
कुछ सालों बाद बेटर हो जाएगा. शायद हमें ये वेबिनार कुछ सालों बाद करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. We will be discussing probably newer
Okay.
challenges at that point of time, right? So my advice to you is go have that conversation and don't have fear in your heart, because all said and done, 5 years with KPMG, education before that, you are qualified. If not this, you will get another job, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
Amruta,
but at
आपकी
the age of
contact है
42,
DEI
it's
में?
very difficult. हाँ?
DEI जो उनका
Pardon?
डिपार्टमेंट होता है, डाइवर्सिटी इंक्लूजन वाला जो डिपार्टमेंट होता है, DEI,
No,
तो वहां पर आपका कोई
no,
कनेक्ट नहीं है? नहीं है?
no,
Oh.
no. My manager is supportive, but they are not ready to interfere MSSI and everything
नो नो नो
in
नो
my
एमएस
job and
एमएस
everything.
एमएसएसआई की इंटरफेरेंस की जरूरत नहीं है, बट आई थिंक अगर क्योंकि केपीएमजी में आई एम वेरी सर्टन कि डीईआई डिपार्टमेंट होगा, यदि आप कोशिश करें वहां किसी का पता करने की, कोई और डिसेबल्ड फ्रेंड है अगर आपका, अगर आप वहां से कॉन्वर्जेशंस करें तो मे बी वो एक अलग से आपको हेल्प मिल सकती है। वैसे तो श्रुति मैम ने सब कुछ बता ही दिया है जो सही रास्ता है, बट मे बी हैविंग सम पियर्स विथ यू हु कैन एक्चुअली हेल्प यू इन पुशिंग दैट, या हो सकता है आपका सपोर्ट बने, आपकी आवाज बन के अगर आपकी हेल्प कर सके तो दैट्स ऑल्सो अनदर वे, मे बी दैट कैन ऐड टू योर कॉन्फिडेंस। जो आपके अंदर जो फियर है, हो सकता है अगर आपको आपके ही जैसे दोस्त और एक दो मिल जाएं जो आपके साथ इस चीज को डिस्कस करने में हेल्प करे तो शायद ये हो सके।
No,
इसमें अंजलि आई
actually, na
जस्ट वांट टू ऐड
mostly
वन थिंग फॉर अमृता, कि अमृता जो फियर है वो सारथी के साथ तो बिल्कुल हटा दो, क्योंकि सारथी में पहला क्वेश्चन यही पूछा जाता है कि आप कैसे कंफर्टेबल हो। मतलब मेरा ऑनबोर्डिंग सारथी में, जहाँ पे अभी ये मैम जहाँ से बात कर रहे हैं, अगर समझे मेरा ऑनबोर्डिंग हुआ था 26 को, और मुझे 1 जुलाई को पूछा गया था बाय टीम लीड मैनेजर कि फातिमा आप कैसे कंफर्टेबल हो, आप पूरा दिन बैठ सकते हो, आपकी डिसऑर्डर क्या है, तो वहां पे हमें समझा जाता है। वही जो मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बोला था, रीजन यही कि यहाँ पे सब हमारे जैसे हैं, चाहे अलग अलग डिसेबिलिटी हो तो एक दूसरे को समझते हैं, लेकिन
But I
जब
think
तक आप
Fatima,
बताओगे नहीं।
but I think Fatima, she's also talking about retaining her job with KPMG. So all,
Yes.
like I said in the beginning also, all organizations are not going to be
Not
organizations.
at all, sir. For me
where-
also, ma'am, Wipro is
Yeah.
not at all working. Like they don't know what is MS exactly.
No, but
And
I understand you and I hear you, but
exactly.
the idea is to slowly make a movement of people and educate the corporates out there, because
Exactly.
the idea is not to have more Sarathis. The idea is to have an inclusive culture that Sarathi has integrated
Exactly.
to transfer that to other companies, large size companies also. And I think we all have to do our fair bit in that. It's an uphill battle. I know that. It's an upstream
Yes.
swimming job,
Exactly.
but I'm sure all of us put together, we'll be able to do it.
But the same thing I have faced in 2017,
I
which
understand.
he has faced now.
I understand. In the interest of time, I'm going to take a couple more questions, please. And I think, Pooja, okay, your thing is... Okay, anybody who requires Sarathi's website, number, WhatsApp number, Nitesh, can you just give the WhatsApp number also, and any other details also? HR email ID also to everyone. I think Anjali's also put the PM Daksh portal and NHFDC link in this chat for everyone to avail. Shraddha says, I'm a commerce graduate. I left job as account assistant due to age problem. I'm 40 years now due to financial problem. Don't know what to do. Shraddha, again, private sector. If you want to explore, please share your resume with us. Create a profile. And if you have the right qualification and skills, and even also, I want to tell all of you here that when we screen you for jobs, if there are specific feedback that we get that you need to acquire a new skill or you need to work on certain things, then we also redirect you to certain training programs, which short-term training programs, which will help you prepare for that job, and we'll put you back in the job screening process. It's not like एक बारी rejection हो गया तो आगे कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, right? Just want to let you guys know that. Yes, Priyanka, you can go to www.sarathi.com और वहाँ पे आप रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं. आपका रेज्यूमे हमारे पास आ जाएगा और हमारे काउंसलिंग टीम से लोग आपको कॉल करेंगे एंड प्रोफाइल बनाएंगे आपकी. There is also hr@sarathi.com where you can send your resume too. Again, requesting my colleagues Anugya and Nitesh to put down the relevant email IDs, etc. in the chat box. Who else is there?
I saw Kiran Kamte raising his hand on video.
Yes, please.
किरण जी
please
आप
go
कुछ
ahead.
कहना चाहते हैं? आपका वीडियो अभी ऑफ हो गया है.
हाँ मैम,
हाँ जी.
मुझे एक्चुअली ये पूछना था कि मुझे वर्क फ्रॉम होम में कोई जॉब मिल सकता है, क्योंकि तो मेरा MS 2017 में डायग्नोस हुआ था और मुझे 2019 तक मैं एज अ प्रोजेक्ट कोऑर्डिनेटर काम भी करता था, पर
कहाँ पे?
मुंबई RBI में.
अच्छा,
प्राइवेट कंपनी थी, उनका प्रोजेक्ट आरबीआई में चलता था, इसलिए वहां पे काम करता था। पर 2019 में थोड़ा वॉकिंग में इश्यू होने लगा, तो मैंने बाद में थोड़ा कम किया, ऑफिस से ही काम किया। पर
जी।
2020 में लॉकडाउन होने के बाद मैंने वो जॉब भी छोड़ दिया था, क्योंकि वहां पे जा नहीं सकता था मैं।
आप भी
फिर
बॉम्बे में हैं?
नहीं, अभी मैं पुणे में रहता हूँ।
पुणे में, अच्छा।
तो मुझे घर पे लैपटॉप पे काम कर सकता हूँ, ऐसा कोई मिल सकता है क्या?
हाँ, बिल्कुल मिल सकता है। आप भी प्लीज अपना रिज्यूमे शेयर करिए, बिल्कुल अप्लाई करिए।
ठीक है, चलेगा।
ठीक है, फिर हम जब आप अब हमारी रिक्रूटमेंट टीम से बात करेंगे तो वो आपको एक्चुअली एग्जैक्टली बता पाएंगे आपके स्किल सेट्स क्या हैं, आपको किस तरीके के जॉब्स में अप्लाई करना चाहिए। और बहुत सारे हमारे सारथी के यूट्यूब चैनल पे कुछ हमने वेबिनार्स पहले कर रखे हैं, जिसमें ऐसी ऐसी चीजें हैं कि आप हाउ यू शुड अप्लाई फॉर द राइट जॉब। क्योंकि क्या होता है कि जब हम डेस्परेट होते हैं तो हम जो भी पोर्टल पे जाके अपना रिज्यूमे डालते हैं तो सारी जॉब्स पे अप्लाई कर देते हैं, which is also not the right way of doing. So we some of our recorded webinars can help you understand कि किस जॉब में आपको अप्लाई करना चाहिए। ठीक है, और
ओके,
एंड सो फार आप लोगों में से जिससे भी मैंने बात करी है, यू आर ऑल सो क्वालिफाइड एंड स्किल्ड इन स्पेसिफिक डोमेन्स that there is no reason why you should not be able to find a job, right? Okay, who's next? Have I missed anyone? Any other questions? Lava LXX503, I don't know your name, but I'll read out your question. Ma'am, I was civil engineer, but I want to change field as I'm not able to walk. Will you help because my family doesn't understand me? Sure, sure. Please reach out to us at the given addresses and stuff. We will definitely take this offline and help wherever possible. And we will be able to guide you for a switch in career. Any more hands? Have I missed any question? I'm just going through the chat. Kindly share the entrepreneurship subject details. I don't follow that question, Prasanjit. Arun, if you are also willing to work from home, please, please, please register with Sarathi. We will try and help you find a suitable job. Anuya is also qualified in commerce, worked in finance for 16 more. Okay, it's an incomplete message, but Anuya, please do apply. There are also, as we speak, some active jobs online, so you can actually go on the portal and see. There are some active jobs there. But we do also keep getting specific domain requirements. Vijay says, what if I'm not someone with good educational background, but worked for 17 years? Vijay, would you like to share what kind of work you've done for 17 years? I would like to know more about that. Vijay, if you're still around, please unmute and tell us. You worked with different call centers. Vijay, we have a lot of call center opportunities. Where are you based? Please reach out to us. So Vijay, I want to just say that we have a lot of opportunities, especially for call center jobs within Sarathi. As far as, oh, you're based in Gurgaon. We are also in Gurgaon. So please reach out to us. There is no reason why you should not be able to get a calling job. And also when you say no educational background, 17 years of work experience is good education enough. You know, you have experience. Yes, please do it today itself. Okay. I know this was a short session because we had so much to talk about and, you know, we had a lot of questions. So if you do have any specific questions, we can create a group for us to interact with. Or Anjali, if you think that there is a close group of people who want to do a follow-up session in You know, we can maybe organize in future, and also people from other chapters who were not able to join today, we can organize another one such session where people who did not get a chance to voice their challenges and seek queries, we can do that. Right?
वर्क्स मेरा एक लास्ट सजेशन आप सबको यही होगा कि हम जब अप्लाई करते हैं किसी जॉब के लिए किसी भी पोर्टल पे, सारथी के साथ भी अगर आप करें, प्लीज थोड़ा पेशेंस रखें, बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने आज प्रोफाइल बनाई, रेज्यूमे भेज दिया तो कल आपको कॉल आ जाएगा, परसों जॉब मिल जाएगी. थिंग्स टेक टाइम, राइट? एंड मुझे पता है आप सब बहुत पेशेंट है ऑलरेडी, नॉट पेशेंट बट सब्र वाले लोग. तो थोड़ा और सब्र रखिएगा. एंड आप लोग बहुत अच्छे से आज सबके साथ, आज मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. इनफैक्ट मैं बहुत लोगों को नहीं जानती थी, बट इट्स सच अ गुड फीलिंग टू सी यू ऑल. यू नो, जस्ट कीप वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स योर गोल. ट्राई एंड अपस्किल योरसेल्फ. सारथी एनीवेज इज प्रोवाइडिंग यू विद दोज ऑप्शंस, बट उसके बियॉन्ड अगर आपको देखना है तो आप, बहुत सारे लोग लिंक्डइन पर ऑलरेडी है, वहां देखिए कोई सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्सेज. बेसिकली अगर आप बहुत टाइम तक खाली ऐसे रहेंगे तो हो सकता है आपको और कॉन्फिडेंस कम हो, राइट? डिप्रेसिंग थॉट्स आए तो मे बी यू नो वर्किंग ऑन योर स्किल्स कैन एक्चुअली मल्टीप्लाई, एंड यू नो आपकी प्रोबेबिलिटी ज्यादा हो जाएगी किसी भी जॉब को हासिल करने की. तो उस पर थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिए.
If you have symptoms that have taken you away from the employment space, right, and you have to take a break, that's okay. There are enough and more online certifications short term which can be very self paced. आप अपने खुद के हिसाब से समय और जितनी हेल्थ अलाउ करती है उस हिसाब से आप वो छोटे छोटे कोर्सेज ले सकते हैं. तो क्या होता है कि जब हम एम्प्लॉयमेंट के लिए जाते हैं तो हम एम्प्लॉयर को बता सकते हैं कि उस समय में भी हमने अपना टाइम यूज करा है और कुछ नया सीखा है. उससे दो बातें होती हैं, एक तो आपकी नॉलेज बढ़ रही है, दूसरा आपके पास एक सर्टिफिकेट आ रहा है, एंड थर्ड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज दैट यू आर कन्वेइंग एन एटीट्यूड ऑफ ग्रोथ टू योर फ्यूचर एम्प्लॉयर. Right? So I think that is important for us to do, that if we are living with a condition that is erratic in terms of symptoms, then let's also time and prepare ourselves for it. Right? Okay. All right. For everyone who has joined, I think please register with us and reach out to me. And Anjali, if somebody needs my number, please feel free to share it. And I hope to see you guys again in another session. And I hope it was useful. And we'll keep the conversation going.
Definitely. Thank you, guys. Have a great evening.
Thank
Enjoy.
you. Have a great weekend, all of you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay,
Thank you,
bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
Anjali.
Thank you so much for wonderful